Oh, is that mixing spoon?
Yeah, not right in front of you.
Thanks. I like it here. It's nice. Everything's so quiet and peaceful, like.
208 miles.
Ever read the newspapers?
No.
Nothing up
full
there
of trash and murders and
stuff.
stuff.
Radiation.
What you don't know.
You ever had the itch to get up there yourself?
It's all right. Here's your pepper
Not
salt.
me. I'll wait and see what happens to the test animals.
You and me both.
Well, Paul, I'm afraid you have me cornered.
You still have a couple of moves, Mr. Kessler.
You've met your equal, Dad.
Oh, your father just got himself into a bad position.
Not coming down.
Defective base.
You got a bit of a storm.
Losing
It's your game, Paul.
Want to play another?
Oh, thank you. Not
She's all
tonight.
right, all
It's getting
right.
late.
She was way over
Pardon me,
normal
sir.
velocity.
Yes?
no.
May I speak to you a moment, please?
Oh, yes, certainly.
Quentin, let's go ask the computer a few
The
questions.
cook wants to leave. I thought you should know.
Why, she just came.
She feels if her work is unsatisfactory. She had so much trouble with dinner tonight.
Why, that's ridiculous. Oh, I understand. It's your first day. I'll speak to her.
I'll say good night, Mr. Kessler. Think I'll turn in. Thanks for the game.
Good night, Paul.
Good night, Dad.
Trajectory 319. Speed of flight
I'll walk up with you, Paul.
Oh, glad to have your company. It's a long, lonesome climb up those stairs all alone.
Burn efficiency 5.32.
Where are you
Friction
going, Marie?
coefficient.
You can't leave us after cooking such an
0.79.
elegant dinner.
Did you really like it, Mr.
That's what
Kessler?
given
Why, I never tasted anything to equal that roast beef. Besides, you can't go now. It's going to rain in a minute.
Are you sure you want me to stay?
Certainly, Marie.
Well, I like it here, but I thought.
Oh, then it is settled.
Oh, wait till you taste my apple pie, Mr. Kessler.
Apple pie? My, that will be a treat.
Now, let me take this. You might as well unpack your things.
Yes, sure. Thank you, sir.
Not at all, Marie. Good night.
Good night, Mr. Kessler.
Well, how about it?
Oh, he's a wonderful man.
So do I.
Data's insufficient for a positive
Now,
answer,
let's
only
see.
an approximation.
I'll tell
What
you one
did I
thing.
do wrong?
That rocket comes down in a populated area. It won't be good.
Yeah. Well, the rocket went into almost escape velocity. Take a look at the globe.
wide orbit. Maps from this altitude have been recorded. We are now ready to enter a tighter orbit. We will resume normal transmission upon execution of the orbital run. Due to static interference in the Martian atmosphere, we will be unable to maintain transmission. We're standing by to switch over to camera transmitters at 0900. In 2 minutes and 14 seconds, we will enter our tighter orbit. All systems are go. Stand by to switch over.
We receive you, Mars Probe 1. We are standing by to receive your transmission at 0900. Oh, incidentally, gang, Happy New Year.
Standing by.
camera systems check run.
Camera scopes down. Wide angle, full scan camera systems all go. Functioning, 3-second sequence interval. Be sure and correlate your cameras, Dorothy. We don't want any overlap.
Correlation complete and corrected. Narrow angle partial scan systems all go. Functioning on 2-second intervals.
Red flash. Keep me a reading on reception, Charlie. Changing over to telephoto system. Stand by to switch over all recorder instrumentation.
View screen reception 100. Standing by to activate image stabilizer circuit. Recorder input, computers, tapes, all go. Switch on.
Six, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Since the splitting of the atom only a few decades ago, and through his God-given genius of science, man, at last, has succeeded in penetrating further and further into the unknown vastness of space. The moon has become the launching base for advanced exploration. From this
Mr. Kessler,
point,
are you ill?
At the risk of their lives, set out
Something
to
wrong?
conquer nature's mysterious forces. Yet many questions remain.
Hello, Paul.
What is his Earth in relation to the inconceivable number of other worlds? Is his speed truly the fastest? His achievement.
I must have walked in my sleep.
Well, you did better than I. I couldn't sleep at all.
It's
raining.
Ocean of the universe.
Why don't you go to bed, Paul?
Similar to our
I'm all right.
other planets.
Is there
it not
anything I
possible
can do?
That atmospheric conditions of relative
Nothing, Paul.
environment
Thank you.
control
I think
their
I'll read for a while.
force?
Good night.
If so, would they be
Good night,
giant,
Mr. Kessler.
or could perhaps the opposite be true? Could their intellect have reached a scientific level far above man's reach? What then will the future reveal? This story you are about to witness is only the beginning.
Log entry. Genesis 3, March 16, 1980. Captain Ray pilot. Navigator. The last day in the state of the Plane 361. United States Air Force Communication. We are 21,000 miles from base. Bearing 7 degrees. 3 minutes. Gas 110 plus. 46 degrees or 6 degrees. 5 on routine successive approximation. By projecting computer using Dan space position recorder. Quiet.
We're almost a degree off trajectory, Captain. Griffin checks okay.
Well, you look like you had a good night's sleep, Mr. Kessler.
I was so tired when I got to bed, I don't even remember climbing in.
Dad!
Something approaching fast. I'm setting up auto-evasive pattern. A large planetoid object is on a direct collision
Who would do
course
a
with
thing
us.
like that?
We are under 11 G's exterior acceleration and have no control whatsoever.
I wonder if anyone was hurt.
Nothing could have hurt my father more.
It's unquestionably the work of a man.
all right, Evans?
Yes, sir, Mr. Kessler. Good morning, sir.
Where is the new cook?
She says she's going shopping first thing this morning.
Have you looked in her room?
No, sir.
Something wrong, Mr. Kessler?
There's a valise. She didn't leave.
I'm not worried about that. When did she tell you she's going to the market?
Last night before she went to bed.
Do you think there's any connection between this and what has happened before?
I don't know.
Have you been through the rest of the house yet?
No, sir.
Good morning, Mr. Kessler.
Oh, Marie. You have no idea how happy I am to see you.
Thank you. I wonder why he was so glad to see me.
Mr. Kessler thought you had been murdered.
Oh, he's so sweet. I'm going to start to make her happy parlor. Murdered?
I can't imagine who would do a thing like that.
I'll get it.
Good morning, Miss Kessler.
Won't you come in?
Thank you.
That happened last night.
Didn't it fall?
No. Find me the person who did it and you've got your murderer.
Nobody came into this house last night. Ryan and his boys were stationed outside.
Lieutenant. Oh, Lieutenant.